Hello everyone! Welcome back to Harmony Time on KNN. As always, I'm so excited to be back with you. The past few weeks, we've been talking a lot about how to solve problems. In our kindergarten and first grade classes, we've been talking a lot about big problems and little problems. We did a great job deciding what is a big problem and a little problem. We also learned that if we have a big problem, we need to get help from an adult, and we talked about just how we can do that. We also started talking about different ways we can solve little problems. We met our new friend Kelso and talked about Kelso's wheel, which gives us different choices for solving these little problems. The first choice we talked about this past week was sharing. We talked about all different ways we could share. Some of us even shared stories about times other people shared with us. It's very exciting because we all started to feel really happy when we were able to share with one another. This week, we're going to be talking about how it is important to make choices. And one of the choices on Kelso's wheel is to choose a different game. So if you have a problem where you can't play the game you want to play or do the activity you want to do, you can make a choice to pick another one. So this week, that is what we will be doing in our first grade and kindergarten classes. In our other grades, we've been talking about problem solving and why when we blame others, it just makes us stuck. We've been talking about how it happens without us even realizing it. Our thoughts and our feelings build up so much, they get all tangled that we get stuck. And when we get stuck, it's hard for us to communicate the way we've been practicing. It's hard for us to say what we're really feeling and thinking. So instead, we end up blaming the people around us. And we realized by playing our detective game that when we blame other people, we can't solve our problem. In all of our classes, we worked very hard to discover who broke Z's favorite rocket toy. We spent a long time deciphering our clues and finding all of the blaming words. And in the end, we realized it didn't really matter who broke Z's favorite rocket toy. Because in the end, when we blamed someone, the toy was still broken. The problem was still there. So when we blame people, we'd stay stuck. So this week, instead of blaming people, we're going to find words that we can use in place of blaming words, or instead of blaming words. And we're going to practice saying those words instead. And hopefully that will help us start to work through our steps so we can solve our problem. Z and I look forward to seeing you in guidance and learning all these new ways to solve problems. We'll see you there. Have a great day. Bye.